Hello, my students. How are you? Group 2. Today we'll explain from المعاصر book, Cumulative Assessment number 15, till lesson 7, unit 3 in geometric. Pay attention with me about first question. Here we want to find the distance between 2 points A and B. We can use the rule to find the distance between 2 points. Square root here. And first, x2 minus x1 power 2. We have 5 minus 2 power 2. And 3 minus minus 1, it will be 3 plus 1 all power 2. Then the result will be 5 minus 2, 3. 3 power 2 is 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4 power 2 equals 16. Square root of 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25 equals 5. Then the result will be 5 centimeter. It shows letter D. Okay, next question down. We have here triangle. And he give me AC is less than AC. Look at here, AC. Where AC here is less than BC, less than BC. So the opposite angle, this angle B greater than angle X. We can find the angle here, like the relation here about AC, the measure of angle B, because EC greater than CP. Then the opposite angle of EC it will P. Then the measure of angle B is greater than the opposite of PCX, greater than measure of angle A, we call that X. Then if AC less than or EC greater than, then measure of angle B is less than BC. BC here. Okay, BC opposite X. We can find the measure of angle B in this triangle. Measure of angle B equal 180 subtracted by 50 minus, right here, 180 subtracted by X plus 50. The measure of angle B equivalent to 180 subtracted by X plus 50, because the sum of interangle equal 180. Complete with me, this less than X. I can write here 180 subtracted by X subtracted by 50 is less than X. 180 minus 50, it will be 130. 130 minus X less than X. We can move X here, then X plus X equal to X is greater than 130. Okay, now I will divide it by 2, left hand side, right hand side. Then X will be greater than 130 divided by 2 equal 65. Then X greater than 65. And also X here must be less than 180. So he won't find what is the following. Give me the answer. A number greater than 65 where we can choose 70. The answer will be 70 because 70 is greater than 65. X greater than 65 and less than 180. Since the solution here, he asked about what is the following verbal. Verbal of X makes this. What's the verbal of X makes EC greater than BC, then X must be greater than 65. You must choose 70. The answer here will be 70. Choose letter D. Next question. A over B equal B over C equal to, what is the value of this? We have here continuous proportional. Then A will be equal C product by 2 power 2. And B will be equal C product by 2. Then the value of A equal 4C and the value of B equal 2C. We won't find the value of this. We have A plus B. A was 4C plus B was 2C. We can collect. And B minus C. B was 2C subtracted by C here. 4C plus 2C equals 6C over C. We can simplify, the result will be 6. Choose letter A. Next question. We can find the length of BD from Euclidean theorem. You know Euclidean theorem? Like this, we have BD. BD power 2 will be equal the first conjunction here, AD, product by second conjunct from Euclidean theorem. 2 times 8 is 16. Square root of 16 equal 4. Then it will be 4 centimeter. Next question. The given figure represents relation between two sets. He wants to find the number of Y product by X difference Y. X difference Y will be what? Who can tell me? X difference Y. X difference Y, we have 1 and 2. Then we have here Y has 2 elements. A number of the second solution 1 and 2, we have 2 elements. We have in the first here 2 elements, and this set has 2 elements. In 2 times 2 equal 4. Choose letter C. Next question down. We want to find the solution or about this inequality here. First step, we must cancel X by 8 negative X from 3 parts. To cancel X, okay, we want X, cancel X first. then x plus 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 2x. Again, my students, we must cancel here x is this relation. We must add negative x from three parts, first and second and third, okay? And then find the answer. Okay, complete with me. We will add negative x from three parts. We have x plus 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2x minus 3 minus x greater than x minus x. So I will add negative x from three parts. Complete with me here. First, x minus x 0, then we have 2 greater than or equal to 2x minus x equal x minus 3 greater than x minus x 0. Next step, we will add 3 from three parts to cancel negative 3 here. You must add positive 3. Then 2 plus 3 greater than or equal to x minus 3 plus 3 greater than 0 plus 3. Then x right here, and 2 plus 3, 5, and 3 plus 0 equals 3. Then the interval from 3 to 5, it will be opened. Open the interval from 3 to 5. Okay, what's equal to? Okay, we have here equal to, my students. This equal to, this equal to, okay? This equal to, this equal to 5, so it's closed at 5. 3 to 5, open from 3 and close to 5. Choose letter C. Next question. Calculate the area of circle, center of M, and A was 5 and negative 1. Okay, we can find the radius here. We know the radius of the circle equals the distance between any point in the circle to the center. We have circle here, and we have point, and here M. The point A, we can find the radius. The radius will be square root of the difference between 2 points, 2 minus 5 power 2, 8 to 0 minus minus 1, it will be 0 plus 1 power 2. The result will be 2 minus 5, 3, negative 3 power 2 is 9, and 1 power 2 is 1. The result will be square root of 10. And the radius will be square root of 10. He won't find what? He won't find, we won't find the area. Then the area equal by r power 2. By, it will be 3.14. By r power 2, it will be square root of 10 power 2. Then the result will be 3.14 product by square root of 10, it will be 10. Then we must move the point right hand side by one place. It will be 31.4 square units. And the result will be 31 and 4 tenths square units. Next question. We have here figure. We want to prove that AC greater than. We want to prove that AC greater than AB. Look at here. We want to prove that AC is greater than AB. We can find the measure of this angle 30. It will be 30 also. We call it alternating angle. Then we can find the measure of angle B and write this triangle. Okay. We can find the measure of angle 70 plus 30 subtracted from 180 equal 80 degree. Now, write the steps here such that DC was parallel to AB and EC is transversal of them. Is a transversal. Okay, but students, we have transversal here. The measure of angle E equal measure of angle C is 30 degree. We call it alternating angle. Alternating interior angle, then the angle here will be 30. Such that in triangle ABC, measure of angle P equal 180, subtract the sum of two angles here, 30 plus 70 equal 80 degree. Such that we have relation between 80 and 30, such that measure of angle B greater than measure of angle A. In the opposite side of P, we have EC is greater than opposite of 30, it will be greater than BC. Okay, then you want the relation about ABC, measure of angle P equal 180 subtract by 30 plus 70 equal 80 degree. You want to prove that AC greater than AB. AC, then measure of angle B. Measure of angle B was greater than this 80 degree. And AB opposite to 70, measure of angle C. Then B, this angle B here, opposite AC, and angle C opposite BC. And this angle C opposite angle C opposite AB. Okay, we want to prove that AC greater than AB. Understood? Okay, solution about this question. Okay, goodbye.